Alright, today we're outdoors. We're gonna bring this out to the actual our area, our backyard. We get a lot of bugs out here when we're chilling back there in the yard where we're pool, drinking, or having a bonfire. You get a lot of the bugs. So we're gonna bring a bug repellent here, and this is a bug zapper, right? Very simple to use. They give you the chains, they give you a little brush so you can brush them off when you get extra bugs in the bottom. Just brush them off. Make sure you turn it off when you do that, right? They give you extra light bulbs. These are dark lights, all right, so you can see them. Power button is very simple. It's on the side, off and on. Chains go on one end here and then on the other end here, so you could have these two both chained up somewhere, hanging up. But today we're just going to plug them in here and let it get some bugs. So let's go and do that. First time turning it on, cranks up. We're going to turn off the light and attract some bugs here. So the system is very effective. It just got a couple bugs here. If you guys can see, a bunch of them in the bottom, a lot of insects. So summer's coming down and it's perfect timing for bug season. So it's good to have this indoors or outdoors, but it's not water resistant, so it's good to keep in a campground and by shelter. So I like the system. It's working very effective. I hope you guys enjoy the video.